got the 2003 Ford E-150 Chateau. There it go. Go ahead and compress your caliper piston. I use an old brake pad and a C-clamp. Alright, to install the seal, you just go ahead and put it over the top of the hole and put something nice and wide over it. Now it's nice and seated all the way around. Now you go ahead and mount your rotor and go ahead and install your front wheel bearing or outer wheel bearing. Alright, now you can install your washer after you installed your outer wheel bearing. Install your new axle nut. Hand tight, please. It doesn't need to be very tight, just hand tight. Install your cotter pin and your cap for your axle nut, and then you can re-grease these things and put the cap on. Now you can install your pads and put your caliper back on. You can install your caliper bracket bolts now. Slide pin test. No trash.